Holy cow, this place is a zoo. I've had to park on the street today. Usually you can't even park on the street. Man, parking is insane today. Wow. Wow. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. We are back to daily videos. And yeah, happened to be out of Camarillo. Or actually drove out to Camarillo. Check out the Nike outlet for y'all. Let's go see what they got, man. Crowds are crazy here. See what they got. All right, the exact opposite of Nike Westlake. Crazy, crazy. All right, let's see what they got. Last time I came, they did have crazy heat behind the counter. Nothing today. All right, let's go check out the little heat section over here. They don't offer discounts, though. But let's check it out. Dang, it's the least amount of heat I've seen here in a while. They do got some interesting stuff. Haven't seen the Starfish 5s in a while. This is a size 12. Damn, dude, I forgot about these, man. Forgot about them. Okay. Well, all right, none of these you do get 20% off, but to be able to find some of this stuff, pretty freaking dope. This is a size 9 of the Hello Kitties. I do like the colorway, dude. I'm not gonna lie, I do like the colorway. I'm just not a fan of having cartoon characters on my shoes. Then also have a size 8 right here. Got one of these bad boys, the Jades. And yeah, this is a size, what, 8.5. And then got these, man. This got the OG leather on it, man. This is just sick. The colorway I'm not a fan of, but the material on these just crazy. Let's see what size it is, because the box right here, size 10. That looked like a size 10. But yeah, the material on this, amazing, amazing. And then Dornbeckers. Got some Dornbeckers here, size 10.5. These are the wannabe Vans. But yeah, the Janowskis. Yeah, Dornbeckers. If you guys don't know the Dornbecker line, that's a program where they work with, I think, Dornbecker Hospital out in Oregon. And they let kids design some of the sneakers. So you see a lot of, okay, apparently you see me dropping shoes, but you see exactly what's going on with them and why they designed this shoe and how they designed it. Pretty freaking dope, dude. Pretty dope. This is a size 10.5, and the retail on these, I don't know what the retail is, but Nike SB, they got a Nike SB here. Pretty dope. Starting out with the size 8s, Naja Frees going for $105. Naja Free 2s going for retail game right here. Do you get that 30% off? So not bad. Jordan Hydro 6s, $45. I've shown those plenty of times on my channel. Some Converse. I was like, what Nikes are these? Got these bad boys right here. Oh man, some crater foam on it. Oh man, these are terrible looking. But yeah, $155 too, man. They still hitting us high. Wow. Crater remixes going for $60. Air Max 2017s going for $120. This is 7.5 though. Got an 8 right here, $120 for those. Terra Kigers go for $80. You do get that extra discount right here, man. They're getting us retail for the Invincible Run Flyknits, $180. These some cycling shoes. Yeah, Super Wrap Cycles. I think Joe Biden could have used some of these. $90 for these bad boys. Yeah, clip those bad boys in right there. Normally $120, down to $90. These are size 8. 8.5, my bad. Phantom Run Flyknits go for $80 right here. And the size 9s, remember these have been here for like 6-7 months. $85 for these now. Finally, they had them down. They had them at $150 like forever. Damn, no size 9s here, dude. Got the Phantom Run Flyknit 2s go for $80 right there. Blazer Cords, canvas version of the Blazers go for $45. Super Wrap Surge. If you're into high intensity interval workouts, $60 for those. Size 10 with the Daybreaks going for $60. That's actually a really good price, especially since you get that 30 on top. You know they're low on merch when they got socks in the clearance section right here, and they're regular price too. What's up with that? And then also got backpacks in the clearance section as well. And then more and more empty shells. Still got these LeBron John Elliott's. These are going for $175, size 10. Some Blazers. I love the material on these. $100 for these. Fire. 2017s, Air Max 2017s, that is $165. What these Nike Atsuma Trails? kind of look like Air Max 90s, but kind of not. Okay. All right, retail, I guess 30% off, maybe. Where's the size 11 and a half? The Zions? I've never even seen these Zions. These are going for 130. I've never even seen this colorway. The hell did these come out? What the hell? Okay, they're here. Size 11 and a half. Size 12. LeBrons. These are going for 230. Some Trouts. Going for 70. Some baseball cleats. Phantom GT Elites. One of the high-end cleats going for 2 bills. They say 300. I think these go for 275, right? I don't know. They go for a hell of a lot, though. That's all I know. Another one of these. Alpha Fly Next Percents for the big feet gang. 180. Especially with that 30 off. That's actually really good. Ooh. $100, 30% off. That's actually really, really good. $70 for that. That's the cheapest we've seen those. These are the Vaporfly Next Percent, size 14s. Then got some Air Force Ones, size 15, $75. This is the tumbled leather one, the Crafts. Oh wow, that's actually crazy. Yeah, these are $120, $130 maybe. And then these bad boys right here, KD Tray 5 8s, going for 65. That's about it for the huge sizes. All right, let's check out the house, see what they got. Yeah, let's see. Jordan One Take 3s. This is Westbrook's budget line of sneakers right here. $100. Another one of those. Another one of those. Zions, black and white. Didn't we see some of these in the clearance section? Okay. Oh, maybe they were the black ones. This is a cool gray. Jordan Access. Another pair of those. Witness 5s. KD Tray 5 8s. Another one of these. Oh, actually, Ducat. The Kyrie Low N7s. The Kyrie Lows look really good this year. They almost look like the highs, and I'm kind of digging them. But yeah, $120 for those. Interesting colorway. More Witness 5s, Soldiers, Blazer Corp mids, Blazer mids, Asuna slides, Benassis, the JD. Oh, these ain't the JD ones. That just confused me up top. They have a bunch of different JDI or Benassi, my bad. Benassi slides. We got Victory ones here too in the same section. They're all $15. I don't know. Totally different section. They got some more Soldier 14s. Bunch of colorways. Dang, I just was not into this design. I'm not gonna lie. Witness 5s. Bunch of colorways of these. Red colorway right here. Got some Prestos right here. Drifters right here. The ISPAs. I don't know what that's about. Space Hippie ones. We know these are gonna keep going down in price. Pegasus 83s. Dang, they went way old school on these. I didn't even know they re-released these. Okay, that's a premium. Free Crater Trail Mox N7. Air Max 270s. 270 Reacts. Another colorway of those. Air Max Genomes go for hella cheap. Damn, we see some low price on these. These started off at what, 160, 170. Air Max APs. Another colorway. Air Max 2017s. Another one right there. Air Max 90s. Air Max 95s. Can't go wrong with all white. Super clean. Pretty decent price. N7 colorway. Damn, they got a bunch of N7 stuff here today, it looks like. Alright. Air Max 2090s. We're not covering those, right? Yeah. Dang, they just keep following me everywhere. Everywhere I turn. Alright, let's check out the running shoes. Pegasus 37s. Got some Shields right here. Holy cow, I've never seen an entire section of the exact same shoe. That is hilarious. Same colorway, everything. Infinity Run Flyknits. More Pegasus 37s. Different colorway. Dang, we've seen so many of these. I thought the price is gonna go down big time on these. 38s. Alpha Fly Next Percents. Vaporfly Next Percents. ZoomX Invincible Flyknits. And then the last one right here, Pegasus 38s. But look, they got 3 displays worth of the Pegasus 38s right here. They even got one in an SB box. You want an SB box at home? I should buy this and then return just the shoe so I could have an XB box. And then look, 2 of these displays for this, and even the Alpha Fly. Man, they got a ton of running shoes. Crazy. I'm about to check the women's heat wall. There was a pair of Heritage up top. Did someone just take this without the box top? They gave you the box top. Oops. They gave you the box top. Why wouldn't you take it? I don't understand. All right, let's check out the women's heat section right here. So I think this is women's and grade school because they didn't make a women's version. This is 7Y for this. Got some dunks. These are women's section. I know that. A women's size. Do got some 1 mids with that really good leather. This canvas on the toe box and the side panel right there. Some dunks. Women's dunks right here. Grade school dunks. More grade school dunks. I don't know the price of all these. I don't remember. They're all 100 bucks though. And I got some grade school stuff right here. Grade toddler, grade school. And then a couple of these. That's about it for the heat wall right here. Women's section, just not much. You get 30% off, but just not much. We're checking out the women's aisles. They really haven't had much in the women's aisles the last, year here. But yeah, Air Max 2017s, 3 different colorways. Do got that right there as well. Do got some Air Max 97s. These are just cheap as hell. Oh my goodness. These came out at 180. Wow. I remember when these were released. Air Max 90s, decent price for those too. Got some Victory 1 slides. These are pretty comfortable. Got my kid one of these. Got a few in the women's section. 3 different colorways, all $20. None of these Benassi slides, and stay away from these. And we do got the NOLA Jordan slides. They seem slightly comfy, but I don't know. I'm just not digging the look of these. $40 too. Definitely not digging that one. And then the rest of it, Renew stuff, just extra generic. Free trainer aids, some super rep cycles. Go for retail too. Super reps, just not much in the women's section at all. Let's go check out clothing. See what's up with clothing. 30% off clearance, but they really are trying to get rid of these half-cent, the penny jerseys right here. They're trying to get rid of them. Small, medium, large, $70 for those. Got a couple of the white and blue one. Just like plain t-shirts, man. Just nothing special. Hoodie section right here. Anything decent? No, Zoom Freak hoodies. What these bad boys going for? $65, normally $80. These are dope. I saw these last time. I remember the material. But yeah, this is size small. 55, normally 100. Really clean sweatshirt. Not much. Not bad deals. 50% off. And yeah, I'm not digging these, but 25 bucks. So down to $12.50. Oh, these are all XL, double XL. Got mediums right here. Oh, okay. They got some mediums, larges as well. Okay. Got them in red as well. Same price. Like, yeah, gray as well. These are mediums, large, smalls. They have plenty of size. JDI shirts, 2 for $30, so 15 a piece. Not bad. Dude, got Tech Fleece on sale right here. What's the price? $140. That's regular price. Do get 30% off, I guess. Okay. Jacket. I got one of these for a friend. Yeah, these are 3 bills. I think I got it for like $79 at the clearance store a while back. This is the USA. I think the gymnastics jackets. I don't know, but I know some of the USA players or athletes are wearing these. Gotta check the heat wall right before I leave just to see if they happen to put anything else new up. No, not really. All right, this place on the Citadel do have the craziest lines. The line's not that bad today. Not that bad. Don't forget, you do have to check out this section right here because this is where I found the Jordan 4 backpack, the cool gray backpack for 30 bucks, normally like 85 or something. Then I do need socks, but the socks are a regular price, $22. Come on now, have some sales or something. I need some black and I need some white socks. I guess that's how crazy it's been here. Look at this. I didn't even notice this earlier. I did notice there were no signs, but they actually covered it up. That's probably the city that did that, saying, hey, parking here is crazy. I love holidays, man. This freaking 1 o'clock, 405 South, and 0 traffic. What? Crazy.